Welcome to Day 4. So I hope you have been completing all the tasks which have been given in last three videos. So today's video is going about the auto suggestion. It's a very powerful thing. It's you don't have to do anything, but it will be done just by keeping in mind and something. So quick revise. So in day 1 we have discussed about the sequence rule. So sequence rule is nothing but you can say na to remind yourself means to keep the chain continuing. So where we have discussed about the flat line concept. So means for the each asterisk like 5, 7, 11, like 5. So it's your first flat line like 7, second flat line 11, third flat line 15, fourth flat line 21, fifth flat line, and like that you will achieve the all remarks. So the flat line means the time where you will get more urge means there is a more crumbs your body want to like na you just want anyhow to watch the video porn or like na to masturbate something like that. So you have to be take care and you have to be like na more cautious around your the flat line. So that is about the that. So where we have give the task for write down your the journey how you get into the how na it will be like how much you want to like quit the porn and all the things. In day 2 we have discussed about the golden rule. So it has the two part. So we have discussed in day 2 day 3. So in first part we have discussed about like what is the triggers, what is the urge means like whatever the things by which you get the trigger, whatever the circumstances by which you get the urge. So like it is involved in two way, like one is your eye, another is your hand. So you have to control over your eye and hand. So we have discussed about like location based, time based, emotion based, preceding action based, and so many things by which trigger is get even like reading something will give you the trigger if the content is about like leading something porn or somewhere. So it is like the phishing means someone is trying to fish you to get landed to their website, their videos, so that they will continuously make you watch. So this is the main concept. So you have to be cautious, you have to be identify your trigger, then you have to eliminate your trigger, then you have to be replace the trigger. So this is the very also I have given you like one template type. So you just try to find out your that uh, all the uh, triggers and how you get into the mood, how your thought is coming so you just do the truth journaling and all the things. And later on in second video of the golden rule, that is the day 3. So we have discussed about the how you can overcome means identify, eliminate, then how you will going to replace this thing, how you will keep in mind always. So that is about the day 3 build. So there we have discussed about the like 5 second rule, reverse procrastination, and so many rubber band techniques, Swiss pattern, and other things. So you have to keep in mind so window formatting, how the internet is hooking up your phishing. So this kind of things, how the health and other thing is going to affect on your like nofap challenge. So you have to keep in mind all the things and just keep in mind and do the all the task either like if you are not doing the task, then it is like not going to be like that to up to mark. So just do the all the task and it will be going to like wonderful, and gradually you will see the significant result. So today we are going to discuss about the auto suggestion. So let's start. So this is the thing is to consistency means like if you are doing something, then you must have to be consistent in something. So if you are not consistent, then again it's also like if you are it is also kind of procrastination. And then for doing something you have to be like again like a reverse procrastination as we have discussed. So that is the no consistency means you have to be keep continuing your static, you have to keep continuing your chain means whatever the tools and techniques which have been given, it will be like incorporated in your lifestyle. It should be like each and every point you are taking that kind of things. If you have like some thought coming like that, then you have to apply rubber band technique, you have to apply 5 second rule. If you have like done the course of action means masturbator, or you just watch the porn, then you have to do the reverse procrastination. Whenever you are doing something or starting something new, then you have to do the Swiss pattern, something like that. So you have to be incorporated in daily life means there should be no any scope to come that kind of thought means you have to be preoccupied with the things which is like valuable, which is going to lead you the forward. So you have to keep in mind. So the auto suggestion, come to the auto suggestion. Auto suggestion means like suggesting yourself, like feeding something na, like a chanting mantra. Means what the people are doing, they just keep na, reciting some words. Means they are feeding their mind to do something. Either it's not physically available, or it's not like the physically going to happen, but na, in background of your mind it keep continuing, and your subconscious mind will like remind the things, and try to develop the path around that way. So this is the power of the auto suggestion. So you have to be keep reminding yourself, so that you will be like your thought coming. It's not like one day process, so it will come gradually, but no, you have to be a start, you have to be occupied, you have to be feed your mind. So this way you have to think, this way you have to generate the idea, this way you have to like get the thought and something like that, not a random pop up, and whatever the video are watching, you just no, like fantasizing, and just the thoughts are popping around that way. So it is not going to be at all a creative and all the things. So whenever no, you have like some thought regarding that, so you just apply the rubber band technique. Means you have to wear a rubber around your wrist, and whenever you are getting the thought around that and like sexual thought, then you have to just push hard, so it will remind you again. So you have to follow the golden rule. So we have discussed about whatever the things to do. Keep hand away from the waist area. That is the main crux of the golden rule. And sleeping position means always try to sleep like the main thing happen means around the bed. So whenever you are at the bed, you just try to avoid the bed in the like daytime, or whenever you are not the time of sleeping. So but whenever you are going to sleep, or no, you are at the bed, so always keep trying to keep your hand below your head. So that will like no, the main thing, your hand is involved, your eye is involved. So the best part, you have to divert your hand and eye as well. So that will be going to wonderful. So just believe me. So just doing these two things, keeping hand away from your waist area and sleeping posture, means keep your hand below your head, that will work wonderful. Means anyhow, in any situation, how much you have urged, but like now you just bind your hand, so you will not touch your hand, not the private part of the, and all during the sleeping you just keep your hand. So it will automatically in few days, like even 1 2 3 days, you will get a habit. Means whenever no, you are just on the bed, automatically your hand go below your head, so it will be like work wonderful. So you just keep trying these things. Means this is the concept of auto suggesting. Means you're just na, like in day one we have discussed about the like neuroplasticity, what the things means in our side effects and problem. So we have discussed the 5 areas of the problem. So in that, like now watching that kind of video, so our mind, our like imagination becomes like that, and always get that kind of the images. So that kind of image leads to that kind of the thoughts. So that kind of thoughts leads like that kind of activity, and always our no, body get into the addiction. We have the like dopamine addiction, we always get the dopamine, and all the things revolving around that, and that will become the watch. So you have to keep in mind. So this is the way. So next one is like block and punch. So this is the concept of auto suggest. Auto suggesting means block and punch. Means you have to keep continuing your thing. You have to keep now feeding your mind. So like in martial arts, so they just no, they learn for a long time. Block and punch means they have to block the opponent and then punch back. So like that, whenever you are getting the thought, then you have to block that no, thought and punch. Punch means whatever the tools and techniques like 5 second reverse procrastination, rubber band techniques, Swiss pattern, next Rinson theory. So many things we have discussed. So you have to be keep practicing, you have to be incorporated in your like day to day activity. Means according to situation, according to like if you are in a public place, so you can't do like rubber band technique or something like that. So no, so you can just do the 5 second rule, 5 4 3 2 1. So this kind of things, we in each and every situation you have to incorporate it, you have to anchor that things, so that will going to work wonderful. So tell your mind what to do only. So just feeding yourself, so you don't have to do these things. What you have to develop the new skills, new na, idea, new creativity, new, you have to be follow whatever you want. So like that you will just busy, and you expand yourself. Expand yourself means explore yourself, try to now find out the other things. Like now whenever you are being busy, means your whole day, whole night is full packed, then it will be like there is very less scope. You just do this as much as you can do, like physical. If your body is not tired, then that kind of thought will come automatically. So you just try to tired your body, so that you will get a good sleep, so that your thought get refined, and finally the things have to be get out from there. auto suggestion card. So this is a very wonderful, it will work like a wonderful. So this is a called golden card, or you can say the auto suggestion card. So what, nothing to think, nothing to do, you just make like this, or either I will give in the description. So like there is a front part and second back part. So front part, whatever the challenge, like we have discussed about the red blue, so whatever the things you have taken as a challenge, so like 30 days no fab challenge, no porn, no masturbation, you have taken the red card. Okay, so right time you just write some motivational quote or something like, I'm going to transform myself to a great version, understanding the solution, isn't it? So like that, and you just keep in wallet, or like set as a wallpaper, set as a no, whatever you are using, phone, laptop, system, anything. So now you're always keep reminding your brain, means keep reminding your mind, means anywhere whenever your eyes goes, you just diverting the things. So when you replacing the things again and again, so that will be like now the new neuroplasticity of the good things, means you have to be quit. Then it's like no, replacing the things with some new habit, means if you want to quit some habit, then you have to replace with new habits. So that is the main purpose. So just do these things. Like next one is the 360 advertisements. What is that mean is 360 advertisement? Like whenever you are watching some cosmetic ad or something ad na, so you just see some chips of a cosmetic ad whenever you are at home, then at TV, at your mobile, at your YouTube, anywhere you just watching, or na, they are showing that kind of, or their brand advertisement. When you come outside from your home, then you just through your street na, big holdings, big hoardings and other poster and all, where you are seeing that the brand and that uh, product have the advertisement, means wherever your eyes goes, you just seeing that kind of advertisement. Then if you are believing that na, if everywhere it's like praising or everywhere it's showing, then it could be good, and then you buy that stuff. So this is the 360 advertisement. Wherever your eyes go, you just seeing that kind of thought, you can say that kind of no, they are trying to fish you or something. So like that, you have to be do for yourself. Like you are frequently watching mirror, what you just no, frequently using bathroom, a study table, you are spending your time in your room, like na, you are wearing always t-shirt, shirt, whatever, cupboard, you are using copy diary. So everywhere you write the like na, the challenge, means whatever the challenge you have taken, or like anything which is in auto suggestion, like you have taken 30-day challenge, so you just write down everywhere hashtag 30-day challenge, hashtag 30-day challenge at your mirror. So whenever you're going to watch your face in mirror, so you will get reminded na, in your bathroom, then everywhere wherever you are sitting at your uh, sitting in your bathroom bathing, so everywhere your eyes goes, or no, you just write down there 30-day challenge, or no porn, no masturbation. No, or if you can do some secret thing, if you like a public, or so many you are living with friends or some, so you can do that. A study table, nearby your study table, you just write down your like challenge. Okay, so like whenever you are entering or exiting to your home or your room, so you just write down over your door. So whenever you are entering, whenever you are going outside, you just keep in mind. So that will be feeding you things, so which will be going to work powerful. Like ceiling, whenever you are going to sleep, then at a ceiling you just paste there, so no for no masturbation or whatever the no, you have making a goal card or auto suggestion card. So that will, whenever you are just open your eyes, whenever you are going to sleep, your like the last you're closing the lid, so that will be like flashing, and that will be reminding yourself, and that will be keep also like refining you. So that will always remind that ki you have taken the challenge and you want some changes. So that will be like more initiative, and it will be giving you like self control, it will be giving you self discipline, and that will leading to the do other things like na, whole day or most of your time indulging in this kind of stuff, and you are not doing this, then you want to do something extra like reading books, something else. So that will be going to help you a lot. And when you think that yeah, today I have read this book, and I have done like a lot, or like whatever the things we have decided, I do a lot and I can do. So that will give you more boost, more confident, but you have to keep your mind your flat line. So like cupboard, whenever no, every day you are using cupboard, so write down there copy and diary, everywhere you using book, copy, diary, so you just keep or make some cards or task. So what you have to do today, so make your auto suggestion or goal card. so that will going to help you, and put into your wallet, make as a no wallpaper. So and apply 360 advertisement everywhere wherever your eyes goes, either in office, either in studying in room or anywhere. So you just write down each and everywhere where your eyes goes, so that will going to help you a lot. And then post in WhatsApp group 360, means like I have done this thing. And have you written down your journey till now? If not, then please write down. And the last thing is, which technique is helping you a lot? Means we have discussed so many techniques. So which technique, like 5 second rule, working for you? So you just write, I love 5 second rule. So that will like give you the valuation, or give you the like something like how the people are liking. So that's it for about today. So I hope you loved the video, and just keep in mind, auto suggestion means you have to be suggesting your mind by yourself. Like no, the best part, or like the best accountability is you, only you. So we will discuss in the next video, means day 5, about the accountability. So stay tuned.